Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your currency on eToro account. So watch the video till the end and follow the steps. First of all, launch open your web browser and type in eToro.com in it. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website from where you'll need to log into your account. After logging into your account from the home page, scroll down from the left-hand side menu and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, choose the General option and click on it. Now, go to the right-hand corner right next to Language Settings and click on the drop-down. Select the currency you'd like to change to, and then once you give it a click, you will be able to change to your preferred currency from the list. So that's how easy it is in order to change your display currency on eToro.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.